that I was showing you earlier, made from the foil and the paper towels. These are the two main things that I use. So you start with the head, and then you take the aluminum foil, and I've used it for so many years that it just feels like clay to me. I can just totally shape it and form it, and it's quite strong. And I put the hot glue on the piece and then push it back on there. And hot glue holds it really well. Now you have a little bit of a neck, so I'm going to pull off some more foil. So let's check Mr. Bunny Rabbit and see how he's doing. Okay, that's nice and dry. So I'll just put his little legs down on there. Okay, now we have the rabbit formed and shaped. And then you take the Sure Grip adhesive wallpaper paste, and I mix it up in a container like this, a little white glue. And you take the Viva paper towels here with like that, and then I take one of the towels, and I always work with them doubled. I fold it in half and then dip it in the paste like this and squeeze it out, and then it's ready to wrap around the rabbit. But I call this putting the skin on them. Once you get the shape of the foil done, then you're ready to put the skin on them. My mother used to help me with this, and even when she lived to be 100 and lost her eyesight, a lot of it, but I would hand her these bodies like this, and she could see the foil shining, so she would know when they were all covered. But she would sit with a cookie sheet and put the skin on everything for me, just like that, and she did a good job. I miss her. There we go. But you see, there you go. Now he has a hat. And what's fun is to put flowers and all of that, which we'll do the next time when you see how to do that. And when it dries, you coat it with white paint. Here's one that's completely dried, and you see how hard they are. They're very tough, and they get very, very hard. So the next time we will be ready to paint them.